Hey there, hiking friends, it's Kelly again. Today is Saturday, December 5th, 2020. I'm here in Atascadero, California. Gonna do the Pine Mountain Loop because of this whole recent Monolith thing going on. I decided to check it out because I heard the Monolith is back after it was here, and then some people took it, and then they supposedly put it back, so I'm gonna check it out. So here I am at the Monolith. And, the second one. First one was taken down by some yahoos from Orange County. Came up, thought it was a threat to their Christian way of life. Put up a cross instead. And the other night this one came up. So who's behind it? Who knows? But it's here and people are looking at it. So what have you. All right then, I got some pictures, I got some video. I helped some people take some pictures. And the Monolith is back. For how long? Who knows? Who put it here? Who knows? Why it's here? Who knows? It just is. And it put Atascadero on the map. Like it wasn't already. Oh, look at that. Look at that beautiful sunbeam. Anyway, time to head back down. It's funny because I had looked at this hike on the All Trails app many times, and I saw how short it was. I'm like, nah, if I'm going to make the effort to go on a hike, I want to do at least 3-4 miles at least. So this thing, from the bottom to the top, it says 1.7, which means you wouldn't even get 4 miles round trip. But then again, you know, it's 3.5 miles, and there is a bit of incline, so you do get some elevation. And I broke a sweat coming up here. Not too much like I normally do, but I did. Anyway, this is the view from here. If it were earlier and there was more daylight left, I'd go check that out. But I mainly came here just to see the Monolith. I wasn't necessarily doing this trail. I wasn't even going to hike today. My feet were a little sore from yesterday. I went and did the Valencia Peak hike again, Montana de Oro via the Rattlesnake Flat Trail. That was a pretty good workout because I had to go up and then down and then up and then up again and do it the whole thing backwards on the way back. And back to the car. Well, it's actually a nice little hike. Sorry I didn't do it sooner, but I'll definitely come back and do it again, and I'll explore that Blue Oak Trail or whatever too. So there you have it. I went up and saw the Monolith. Supposedly, according to one of the locals, this is the new and improved Monolith, and it's actually stronger than the first one. So let's see how long it lasts. Anyway, I'm glad it's there, and I hope it stays around for a while. So that's it. This is Kelly signing off from Atascadero, and remember, as always, keep hiking.